Most people get this wrong when checking their vanilla gift card balance. They assume it's complicated or requires an app, and they end up guessing instead of actually knowing their remaining funds. But here's the truth no one tells you. Checking your balance is actually very simple if you use the right method. In this video, you'll learn exactly how to check your vanilla gift card balance in 2026 using the fastest and most reliable methods, plus what to do if your balance shows errors or doesn't load. Let's start with the main method. The official way to check your balance is through the Vanilla Gift Card website. You go to the balance check page, enter your card number, expiration date, and security code. Then click Submit. Within seconds, your remaining balance appears. It sounds simple, and it is, but here's where most people fail. They enter details incorrectly, or use unofficial websites that don't update properly. So make sure you always use the official Vanilla Card site. Someone like Alex might rush this step and mistype a single digit, and then assume the card is empty. But even one small error will show the wrong result or no result at all. Now here's where it gets interesting. Some users notice their balance is lower than expected. This is usually not a mistake. It's because of pending authorizations. When you try to use your card online or in stores, merchants often place temporary holds that reduce your available balance before the final charge is confirmed. So if your balance looks off, don't panic. Wait a few hours or check again after pending transactions clear. In a minute, I'll show you a backup method that works when the website is not loading or your card keeps showing errors. You can also call the customer service number on the back of your Vanilla gift card. Follow the automated instructions, enter your card details, and it will read out your available balance. This is useful if you don't have internet access or if the website is temporarily down. But here's the problem most people don't realize. Some cards require activation before balance checks work properly. If your card was just purchased, give it a short time before trying again. Activation delays are very common with prepaid cards. Another important tip is to always track your purchases. Write down every transaction or keep receipts. This helps you avoid confusion when your balance changes unexpectedly. So here's the bottom line. Checking your Vanilla gift card balance is quick and easy when you use the official website or phone system, and most issues come from simple mistakes like typos, pending holds, or activation delays. If this helped you understand your balance better, like the video, drop a comment with your experience, and subscribe for more simple financial tips that save you time and stress.